Hello children, let's learn some colors. Green color, pink color, pink color. Red color, yellow color, orange color. Numbers 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 1, 0, 10. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Colors: yellow color, square. Green color, circle. Red color, triangle. Pink color, heart. Sky blue color, star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my videos and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.